Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn how you can improve your remote access from home. Sisadmin wants to help you improve your experience with working from home by sharing with you some quick tips for troubleshooting your internet connection. These are simple tests that you can run yourself to restore the different network connections you have set up on your computer. We will mainly be focusing on how to troubleshoot your internet and VPN connection. If you are trying to connect to your VPN and you are getting a continuous spinning wheel, there is a simple solution that may work for you. Go to the Start menu and click on Settings. Then go to the Network and Internet settings and click on VPN. From here, you will see all your VPN connections. Select one and click on the Connect button. You should notice that the loading time is considerably shorter. You shouldn't need to use this route to connect to your VPN every time, but occasionally, the connection on your taskbar can get stuck. Use this method if this ever happens to you. If your VPN connection is slow, or your internet connection is slow or not working, there are some simple steps you can take to troubleshoot your connection and improve it. First, make sure that you are connected to the right internet source. You can check this from your taskbar and locate your Wi-Fi's name. If you are connected to a mobile hotspot, this may run slower than your home Wi-Fi connection because internet speeds over cell networks fluctuate. You can also confirm your internet is working by checking your phone or another computer and seeing if they are experiencing the same slowness. If you notice your computer is still being slow or is not working, try rebooting your computer. This can refresh your internet connection and improve your speed. It can also help your computer's performance if it hasn't been turned off in a while and needs to offload some programs that have been running continuously in the background. This gives your computer a fresh start again and will likely improve its all-around performance. If this is still not improving your internet speeds or network connections, try rebooting your router. This is the internet box given to you by your internet provider. You can reboot this by going to the physical box and locating the power cord. Unplug this cord and leave it unplugged for about 15 seconds. Much like rebooting the computer, unplugging the router will refresh its connections, and if anything has gotten stuck or slowed, this reboot gives the router the opportunity to refresh those connections. After waiting 15 seconds, plug it back in. You may need to wait a couple of minutes for the router to establish all of its connections again, but after those couple of minutes, you should see your internet come back up and you can test to see if the connection has improved. You can test this by opening Google and searching for Internet Speed Test. Click on the blue box to start the test and see what your current internet speed is. From our experience, Sisadmin recommends that you have a minimum speed of 10 down, 5 up. However, if you have multiple people in your home using the same internet connection at the same time, the bandwidth of your internet may not be enough to support faster speeds to you and others using your connection. To remedy this, you can disconnect machines that are not actively using your internet connection, like turning off any gaming consoles or putting your phone on airplane mode. It may not improve significantly, but it can make your computer run a bit faster. If your internet speed is too slow, you may consider contacting your internet provider to see what kind of upgrade options are available. Thank you! And if you are still experiencing difficulties with your internet connection, or if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we will be happy to help.